That's right, you're a little slow. Okay, one more time. Batman showed up, tried to stick some parasitic organism on me. I saw that you were next on the list, so here I am. I've just saved you. You're welcome.
Look at this. You hanging out with cosplay losers now?
Oh, he hit you.
Yeah, I did.
Should've used your heat vision, honestly. Listen, kid, I know he's annoying, but we have no time to interact with you.
Oh, you'll make time.
What did you do?
Paralyzing technique I learned from my grandfather. He should recover in about a week.
A week?
Jonathan. Jonathan, it's time to go home.
She's compromised.
Oh, my mom never compromises.
She's been taken over, idiot.
What? No, no.